Turning back to Hurricane Ian, the storm moved through the Cayman Islands yesterday, bringing strong wind and rain. Flooding was an issue as waves washed ashore, but so far there are no reports of serious damage there. But we're continuing to watch this. It's expected to strengthen more, Troy.
Yeah, to a Category 4 and then a Category 3 as it makes landfall. That's on the current path right now. Plenty of fuel as it's even moving over land. It's not weakening, so it's moving off of Cuba and then into these very warm ocean waters up to near 90-degree water temperatures, which is the fuel to strengthen the storm even more. You can see it moving through the Gulf of Mexico. We're going to zoom in on that track and show you what happens and when. We do expect a landfall sometime late Wednesday or very early on Thursday morning. So here you go, a Category 3 hurricane Wednesday through the day, still offshore, and then making a landfall anywhere within this cone between Tampa Bay, maybe just north of Tampa Bay, all the way down to Fort Myers, and then moving inland as a major Category 3 hurricane if this track holds true. So it would take a while for it to
The hurricane has begun. It is just after 8 a.m. and the rain just started. The wind's been blowing for like the last 2 hours. But yeah, we're in a full-blown hurricane right now. And there's these people driving around in it like crazy people. But yeah, it's just after 8 o'clock. We're probably going to do like hourly updates. So it's almost 10 o'clock now and the rain's really picked up. So it's about 1 o'clock now. We just got rid of the flooding from the last band that came through. But the storm made landfall in Sanibel about an hour ago. But because of the Brightline system that just got put in right by our house, our streets flood very badly. But yeah, it floods quickly out here. So once it's flooded again, I'll get more shots of that.
112 miles an hour, and frankly, we probably have higher reports, but we're losing infrastructure. You're losing power, these sensors are just not reporting, etc. So the newest info, it's making landfall. They may upgrade this to a 5, I'm not sure. Either way, it doesn't matter. It's a big storm tracking north-northeast, central Florida. When's it going to hit here? That's your question to me, right? Tonight. This is going to be all evening, overnight, in the morning, afternoon, and evening tomorrow, exiting the state. So
when you're hungry during a hurricane, you just make cupcakes.
Yes, sir. It's looking good.
It's just going crazy.
Yeah.
It's our hurricane party cupcakes. So, yeah. It's now like 7:30 at night. Nothing's been happening. A little bit of rain here and there, that's about it. But the tracks have the storm coming more towards us in Melbourne. So it's time to chirp up, have myself a Red Bull, wait until the storm gets here officially. Yeah, my dad said the eye's coming over. Yeah. Yee yee! Hey man, I'm filming for the channel. Little hurricane vlog. But yeah, the storm's supposed to go right over us now, so this is what it looks like now. Here in a few hours, the water's probably going to be up here to our feet. I'm actually right up against the house. We park our cars right here. Brand new. We just got that truck, what, a week and a half? Not even a week and a half ago. And of course, I've got my car. But yeah, we're just waiting for the storm to get here. As soon as it gets here, it's going to get rough. We'll catch up with you when it's here. So our neighbor down the street right over here just texted us and said her power is starting to flicker and she's getting sparks in her backyard from power lines It's the same power lines that actually run around the back of the houses and come to my street. So we might be losing power here soon. We don't know yet. Krista's already in bed sleeping. Like I showed you guys in the last clips a few minutes ago, I have been drinking Red Bulls. I plan on being up all night. My neighbor over here is just having a blast, taking in the rain. Crazy guys. All right. Ooh. Lights flickering a little bit, but I haven't seen any sparks or anything from the power lines. But by the way this light's going out here, we might actually be losing power here soon. All right, so like I said, there it is. Our power's starting to go. This is only maybe 20 minutes after I was just out here. But yep, the whole neighborhood's gonna lose power if that transformer goes. Just had another transformer going on the opposite side of where the last one was just trying to go. I think that one went out. It flickered all the power in the whole neighborhood. So yeah, it's just after 11 o'clock. And I'm pretty sure we're gonna lose power within the next 20-30 minutes, if that even lasts that long. The wind's getting stronger and stronger. There it goes some more. Now that's just like, oh, there it goes. Oh, nope, we're back. But yeah, that's basically just tree lines hitting the power line, like tree branches hitting the power lines into each other and causing that shock to the transformer, so it won't be long. One good gust of wind and we're gonna lose power. All right, just went some more, lights went out again. It's just pulsing right now. Every time we get a good gust of wind, here comes one. Let's see if we get it again. I can hear transformers all around me buzzing. I hear one behind me right now buzzing, but I want to keep the camera focused this way because this is the one that's going to knock our power out if it goes. Oh, that one actually scared me. I wasn't looking. Now I know this isn't a laughing matter, but it caught me off guard. Scared me a little bit. Now our light over here keeps dimming on, like, you can tell the power surging through the lines. And I'm pretty sure anyone that watches our vlog has watched the Tim Tracker. About an hour and a half ago, he posted on Twitter that they have lost power in the Orlando area. So we knew it wasn't going to be much longer. The eye of the storm keeps moving more and more towards Melbourne. Right now they have it going just above Cocoa, in between Cocoa Beach and Titusville area. But they keep saying it's shifting more southeast than anything. So we're probably going to be getting the worst of this storm, the eye of it, around 9 a.m. But I'm going to see if we can get one more shot of this, and then I'm probably going to be going inside. You see the power flickering on the houses all around us now. Lightly flickering. Alright, I think it's time to head in. Decided to stick around outside. My dad came out front. tow truck coming down the street. That's an unmarked truck, so that's a repo guy. Someone's about to have a really bad night. Oh, it's starting to rain on us. It was really just going off real bad right there. Oh, here it goes, there it goes. Here it comes. Yeah, this wind's getting stronger and stronger. It's not going to be but a few more minutes probably. The one just went behind us. Yep. Power lines in Danielle's backyard. It's going to. Yeah, it's going right up to their transformer. Yeah. My neighbor next door just came out wondering what the popping was. They want to be in the vlog. Don't take no rain to knock the power out. It's so eerie. All you hear is the wind blowing, the bugs, the buzzing of transformers in the background trying to keep power. Every once in a while you get a bright flash and one going out. It's just busting again. It's like the third time I've turned the camera off and it happens. Then I turn the camera on, nothing. The power does not want to go out on the vlog. They want to keep the power so we can post this. Now, normally I do post our vlogs on Tuesday and Thursday now, but because of the storm, the very good chance now that we're going to lose power with the way this transformer is acting, I probably will not have a video this Thursday. So the SeaWorld video, our SeaWorld video where we almost got stabbed by a knife, will probably be our last video for a week. maybe. No, okay. So yeah, our video of the knife flying off the coaster at SeaWorld will probably be our last video for a week, and we'll post on the following Tuesday. Unless I get power back and Wi-Fi, then I'll post the video as soon as I can. But we can't make any guarantees on when we'll be able to post the video because of the power situation. But I've drinking 2 Red Bulls today, so I'm staying up for sure tonight. So either we're gonna catch the power going out, or next time you see me, the power is gonna be out. Some strong gusts coming through right now. It's all going that way though. Been noticing a lot more of the blue flashing up there in the sky. Transformers going off in the distance. That lighting, I believe, is like O'Galley High School. Oh, see that bright flash? That was a transformer behind the house lighting up. Well, it started raining now. This is the first time it's rained in probably a good 2 or 3 hours here. I just went inside for like 1 minute to get a drink, and the lights flickered like crazy and the power went out, but it popped back on. We don't have much longer. That sound you hear is what's called Pulse Point. It's an app I use on my phone. It gives you any alerts for electrical emergencies. Anytime Brevard County Fire Rescue has to go to a call, it alerts me and lets me know. That thing's been going off like crazy with electrical emergencies all day and night because people losing power, fires starting because down power lines. Now, not only do we have this one going crazy and popping and breaking, but there's a couple of them behind the house that have popped and gone off already. I think the whole neighborhood behind mine has already lost power. Ooh. Wind and rain's just getting whipped around out here. Yeah. Alright, so nothing's happened for like the last 10 minutes. As I say that. But yeah, we're gonna call it a night. Everyone's going to bed. So either if something goes the wrong way in the middle of the night, I'll catch up with us then, or we'll see you first thing in the morning.
The wind's coming out of a totally different direction now.
Yep. I think we officially lost power. We're giving 911 a call now to let them know that we have a tree down. We have a tree over that way. You're not going to be able to see anything. It's pitch black, but you can see a little bit right there. I'll show you guys once the sun comes up in the morning. This is right in my own backyard. Still have power, but we've placed a call to 911 to let them know that we have arcing lines. They're sending someone out now.
Why is that thing not popping?
God damn it. There it went. That's it.
That's a week.
At least. We're officially without
All
power.
the time, us never across the street.
Nope, they still got their power.
Those pop. Those are gonna.
Got to use my phone to light up. But the storm is pretty much past us. It's now 4 o'clock in the morning, like 4:15 actually. But yeah, it's just wind. The wind's coming in a totally different direction. Neighbors behind us or across the street from us still have power. But the wind is now coming from a different direction. Oh, it's gonna rain again. But my dad and I went out to our shed. Our big oak tree in our backyard came down, crushed our little shed that we keep our backup generators and stuff like that in. And then also it punctured holes in our main shed, but we can cover it with a tarp. We're just gonna run to Home Depot first thing sunlight in the morning in a few hours. But yeah, no sleep tonight. My dad can't sleep. I can't sleep. Krista's been sleeping on and off, but yeah, I mean, not a cloud right now. The storm is pretty much past us. The winds are turning. It's just going to be a little bit of wind and rain from here on out. But we're going to catch up to you guys as soon as the sun's up. All right, so it is now 8 o'clock in the morning. We all just came outside for the first time, and our about 70 to 80 foot oak tree came down last night. And believe it or not, there's 2 sheds full of lawn mowing equipment, generators, all the good stuff underneath that tree. There's our front shed. But it's got holes all in the back of it. And there's a smaller shed behind it with all the lawn mowing equipment in it that's completely crushed. And then Got a line down that goes to our house. But yeah, called FP&L. They said that they will get a truck out here when they can to assess the damage and talk about getting this tree removed. But it'll probably take a good 2 days to get this tree out of here. It's big. But yeah, thank God 7-Eleven had power, so I grabbed a Red Bull. It's gonna be another long day. We'll check back in with you guys here in a little while.